Hi, my name is David and I am a filmmaker and content creator based in London. I graduated from the University of the Arts London 3 years ago. Since then, I have been creating my own videos since then. Back in 2019, I started getting into travel films. My first videos being in South Korea, Japan, and Malta. When 2020 came, I aspired to continue chasing this passion to a potential career. However, since the outbreak of COVID-19 last year, that aspiration has come to a standstill. Even as COVID is slowly getting better, finding clients is still a nightmare. But I've been going out and started getting back into creating videos for YouTube and social media platforms. By exploring my favorite parts of London, filming time lapses and hyperlapses. I really do enjoy doing this again, and I really do hope I will continue doing this on a regular basis.